Wow, my friends, this is that trending docking station of 2026 because it's going to give you a single 8K resolution or triple 4K resolution with high speed file transfers. So, right off the bat, let me tell you that they sent this to me as a gift because I'm a content creator and I'm a professional video editor. So, I'm at my computer all day long putting in the work, and I need multiple screens and I need to be able to transfer files from SD cards to the little cards to USBs and even on different cell phones. So this docking station right here is going to provide all of that for me with no problem at all. So I was super impressed when I got this box and I opened it up. That's when I seen how high quality this docking station was. Now, I'm not a stranger to WAVLINK and their docking stations. I've been using them for years, so I was super excited when I pulled this one out. And I love how lightweight it is. I love how it stands up vertical. Attention! You know what I mean? And I love all the specs and all the power that this is giving me. This is a gamer's dream, and this is a video editor's dream. So installation was super easy. It's going to have two HDMI ports, and it's going to have one DP port. So I was able to plug all three of my monitors in here, and then the one that I have also has the power plug for it. Now that power plug is amazing because it goes right into a USB-C slot on the back of this docking station. And I was able to put that in. This slides right up in the monitors, and it just looks good on my desk. And then the front of it here, you're going to have two of those fast USB ports right there on the front. You're going to have a fast USB-C, quick charging, quick file transfer, the 10 gigabyte, I tell ya. And then you're also going to have two slots for the bigger SIM cards and the little SD cards, whatever you want to call them. And then also it's going to have the power in right there for your laptop. So this is going to be doing the business with USB-C laptops. You're going to want to check the availability of your laptop and what it can handle, because I tried one of my older laptops on this and it works great, but I only could do 3 monitors max. So I had to X out, the monitor on the laptop itself. My newer laptop here is able to handle all 3 of these monitors and the monitor on the laptop with no problem. And this was super easy. Once you have it all plugged in, I didn't have to download no driver or anything, but I do want to show you that all you have to do is go up, pull up a WAVLINK's website, and all you have to do is search the number of this, the WLUMD 26. This is the Pro, but you don't have to put that in there because it's going to pull up the drivers for all of those 26s. So if you do need that display link driver, this is where you're going to get it, right? And then bada boom, bada bing, you got all your monitors up here and you're going to be able to adjust them wherever you need. So right inside Windows is what I'm using. You're going to be able to see all of your monitors here. You can identify them, you can move them around, put them where you want to need them, so you can just move everything around. And this runs smooth. And when I said this is a gamer's paradise, that's what I mean. This is not going to lag your system out. This is not going to stutter. This is just going to give you high speed performance with no problem. And then the file transfers, I tested this out with some of my cards here. I have employees coming in, giving me their cards from their cameras and their video cameras and all of that. And I'm able to transfer this with the quickness. And then I tell you that USB-C port on here, you're going to plug your phone into that with a nice high-speed USB-C cable, a Thunderport cable, and you are going to be transferring files so fast. I am completely blown away. So all in all, if you're looking to upgrade your docking station game, WAVLINK definitely came through again with this docking station. I love the look of it. I love how it stands up. I love all that performance that is jamming in to my system. And I'm loving all of these 4K monitors. And you know what? If I want a game, I'm just going to plug this into one one nice high definition resolution monitor, and I'm going to get the 8K resolution out of the box. So all in all, this docking station here is just fantastic.